All right, hi guys. So if you guys are having a problem with your start button, I know there's a lot of videos out there to fix this. This is probably the easiest way that you could get this problem fixed. So this right here, this little sensor here, it touches that for the touch screen. For some reason, it's not working. So what I saw here is just get a piece of aluminum foil and you're gonna slide it right in here, just like that. You're gonna slide it in there like that. Put this back on just so you can give it a test, just to make sure that it works. Let's plug this in. Give it a test, and there you go. Works perfect.